Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to order your product directly from the Apple website. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know how to do it, and it's super easy and convenient for home delivery as well. First, open any browser that you want on your device and simply type there www.apple.com/store. After that, you will be directly inside the Apple website. Next, browse the product category from here and select the product that you want to order. Right now, here are all the iPhones that are currently available. The new lineup: iPhone, iPad, Mac or accessories. You can choose any one of them. Click on products you want to buy, and simply once you are on this page, you can simply tap on pre-order to order the product. Then you can customize it by choosing its color, storage or model options if available, as you can see here. After customizing, click add to bag at the end of the scrolling page right here. Simply continue and it will be added to your bag. Then click checkout. Sign in with your Apple ID or continue as a guest. Enter your shipping info, choose delivery options and add payment details to pay for the product that you just purchased. Finally, review your order once more before you place the order last time, and you will get confirmation email with tracking details once it ships out from the Apple warehouse itself. And that's it guys. Ordering from the Apple website is quick and secure. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.